How to create a Tubi TV account. So if you want to create a Tubi TV account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now here on the search bar you have to search for Tubi TV. And after searching, on the first search you will have tubitv.com. Click on that. Now it will take you to the web page or the website. So if you want to create an account, then you can go to register, which is on the upper right corner. Click on that, and now you can register using your Google account, or you can also register with your Facebook, but you can also register with your email. So this is the process to register with email. First you have to enter your first name and then your last name, and after entering that, on the third blank you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to create a password. So make sure you create a strong password. The password must contain at least 8 characters, and then on the next one you have to confirm your password. You have to retype your password, and after typing your passwords you have to enter your date of birth, and then you have to choose your gender, and now you can click on register. And that's it. That's how you create your Tubi TV account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.